Today we are opening the Epson Workbench Pro WF3820. It is about $168 and you can find this in any of your local technology store. It comes with 4 ink cartridges, black, blue, pink, and yellow. The ink cartridges are in high professional quality, and also it has a large touchscreen, okay? And this touchscreen has a touchscreen interface where you can choose all the options. You can copy, print, okay? You can scan in this printer. You can do double-sided sheet printing. You can do it has a 250 sheet paper tray capacity. You can do small paper, big paper, depending on your size. You can change sizes. It has a fast 2:1 black ISO ppm 11 color ISO ppm, and also comes with a 35 sheet auto document feeder, ADF, okay, for short. It comes with so many high qualities, guys. It comes with a CD-ROM, so you can actually attach, if you have a computer that has a CD system, then you can plug that in and you can access the printer, or you can just go to the Epson website and you can go from there. It comes with a power code, a CD-ROM, 4 ink cartridges, and it does not supply paper. Okay, just like most printers. Okay, if you just need to buy a good. I would recommend buying an A4 paper size, and from there you can start printing. Okay, so today we're going to be unpacking the mysteries of this beautiful, very nice quality, and it's rated 5 stars, like almost 5 stars, guys. And it has a very nice touchscreen interface, and is known to be a very productive printer to use. That can do double-sided printing, scan. It has a width of 14 to 39 centimeters, and it can also do a very nice high quality photo printing with colorful and non-colorful. Okay, so we're going to find the mysteries, and we're also going to be printing something out from this, and I'm also going to be showing you guys what you need to do, how we're going to unpacking it, how can you set it up, and stuff like that. So what I'm doing right now, I am unpacking the sellotape. As you can see, I've just done that. I'm slowly unpacking the sellotape, as you guys can see, and now I'm opening this thing open, okay, this beautiful printer, okay, and we're gonna see is it actually worth it or is it not worth it. Okay, so right now I'm slowly opening this up, okay, and I'm gonna show you guys what to do with the power code and what's really inside this package. It comes in an instruction manual. The ink cartridges are at the top, and the CD-ROM and everything is on the top also. So we got the black, blue, pink, and yellow ink cartridges on the top, placed very nicely with sellotape to ensure their safety, guys. And as you can see, it shows you the colors. I saw pink, okay, black, blue, and yellow. Now, if you guys know what RGB colors are, RGB colors, basically what they are, from these main colors, you can mix up colors to create other colors, okay, which we get the whole rainbow or whatever neutral color, whatever color we want, okay. That's why they only supply these colors, okay, which produces generates other colors, okay. And with that, we get the instruction manual, how to set it up, okay, and which website you should go to and which not to, the warranty. It has I think it has a 1-year warranty. Just guys double check that, because I have forgotten, okay, but just double check that. It does depend on your box, okay, on your country, okay, so where it is valid and where it is not, okay. And also it has a copying system, ink cartridging codes, okay, it comes with that also. That's in the instruction manual. And then we get a few other special bonuses from Epson. You can get a few other choices, like if you want to buy a printer or some other supplies from there, it sort of provides that, okay. And here's the main big deal, okay. Here's a CD-ROM. Now, because it is the new generation, really, it's 2023, most laptops, the new laptops that are coming, and they do not have a place of CDs, because we no longer use CDs anymore. That's why, okay, some people still use it, but most people do not use it anymore. That's why they just in case if you do have it, they do supply the CD-ROM, but it does, in the instruction manual, it does say you have to go to a website called Epson. I'm gonna write your name, WF820, and then write Epson printer right there, okay, from the Epson website, okay. And from there you can access your printer, download the application, and you can set your printer up. anyways guys, I've just opened this from here. As you can see, I can see all the tape, and here are the instructions. Okay, it's a bit blurry because I've wanted to really show you guys one thing really in particular. It's in an install software. Okay, just as I said to you guys, you gotta get up your computer, and you can use a CD-ROM also, and from there you can do your interface. And by the way, there is an application called Epson. Okay, you need to download that. Okay, so you can, if you want to, you can download it on your iPad, wherever, and from there you can choose your interface, cards, or it's a bit more like wallpaper, and from there you can do print photos, print documents, scan documents, copy / scan or send documents, or you can print documents, you can print photos, you can choose the size from there, and you can just press start, and you can also see from this app. Okay, just connect it. Okay, what you need to do for this app, because it has a touchscreen interface, Epson, and also it has a location thing. It has Bluetooth inside it. So what you need to do, you need to open your location, and from there automatically it will like try to connect with your printer, and from there you can access your printer and like print stuff from there. Okay, so here is how you put the power code on. The power code is always at the top. Okay, it depends for us. We got it on the top. It's usually always on the top, no matter which country you are looking at this from. And don't forget to subscribe, guys. Don't forget to do that. Also, I really put so much effort doing these videos, and really, try my best to really make these videos. Okay, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and really watch all my videos. Okay, thank you so much, guys. And by the way, here is the power code. Okay, power code, and now this is the power code. Okay, it's gonna look really simple. What you need to do, you need to remove the elastic. Okay, that's all. Okay, and from there you need to plug this in. Now plugging this is a bit hard, okay, because the malware, like when you plug the cord in, the outer face to plug the printer to the cord is a little bit difficult, okay, for some people, because you really need to make sure that it's not loose, okay, and it's put in very properly. Okay, so just do make sure that it's put in properly, or your printer is not gonna really be working because the power code is not gonna be on. Okay, but before I show you the power code, guys, I really wanted to remove all this tape. Okay, now the reason they put so much tape is because of the packaging, and also because, if you guys didn't know, that this extra, I wanted to show you what's inside the printer. So as you guys can see, there's so much tape literally everywhere. Now I'm looking at all the features, what's inside the features, and because I'm putting the tape, I'm also finding all the features. Okay, because if I did not put it up or down, or solo, or I don't know, up, down, or really lift it up, okay, I cannot remove the tape. Okay, so this is a very smart way to tell the viewers or the audience, so like whoever gets it, like the let's just say the consumer or the printer, that here is how the malware works. Okay, and here is where you can scan the document. Okay, you can scan your passwords, you can scan the document. Here you can copy, scan the documents, you can do okay, and there's also other options in here as well. Okay, so down here we got the ink cartridges spots. Okay, here is where we put the ink cartridges. I was dying to put the ink cartridges on very badly, and I'll also show you guys how you put that on also. So here's a copy, scan, and from there, by the way, we also do the printing. So the printing will always come from this interface. This is the touchscreen interface down below. Okay, so here we got the power code. What you need to do, guys, I'll show you right now. Okay, so you need to get your power code, and this is where you need to put it in the end. So flip your printer to the back. Okay, I've also seen some reviews of what people have done. They really not classified that you need to put in the back. Okay, after you plug it on, it's gonna ask you which language do you speak. I speak English, and then it's like, do you want daylight saving? Okay, which year do you want, date format? I prefer like my day to be first, then my month, then my year. Some people prefer the month, then the day, then the year, and then some people prefer the year, then the day. I don't know. Okay, so it does give some options for you guys. Also, after this, it's gonna say how to, and I'll provide the information for you on what to do and what not to do. Okay, and you can also press close if you do already know, like I'm giving you this in example in this video. Okay, so here what you're going to need to do, as you can see this interface, when I open it, it says black and pink, yellow, and blue. So I'm getting out black, and I'm opening this in. Can you guys see this tape that was on there? I had to remove the tape in order to put this in. Okay, okay, so now what you need to do here, I'm also going to show you guys what you need to do from here in the example. You guys just need to make sure to press it in. So remove the yellow tape, okay, Okay, it says a warning that you need to remove the yellow tape in order to, really get a very safe and nice printing. Okay, so you need to chuck this in. When you hear like a clinging noise, you know that's in and it's all set. Okay. Now remove the plastic, okay, remove the things and start putting all the items in. Okay, so right now I put my pink cartridges left. Okay, so we got that all in. All our ink cartridges are set. Okay, and now we are just pressing close on the information. I'm putting the rubbish in the bin and we are slowly getting there, guys. Okay, so this is select paper size and type for paper shows. Okay, so everyone, for printing, every single person I will tell you in the universe, okay, even just for printing, the manual also says they do recommend A4, but from there, here is where you can add the A4 paper. If you do not have A4 and you have other types of paper, you can lift and drag from there, and you can also drag it smaller or bigger, and you just need to notify from your mobile or the printer that this is the size that you're choosing. So you just need to go to personal like custom, and then from there you can change the size. Anyways, what you need to do, you need to cling on this to push it back. So if you have small paper, you can cling it a little bit, okay, and if you have big, then so on. Because I have A4 paper, I put them onto the back, okay, and now I'm putting this back into the printer. Okay, so here, now that I've got my printer all done, set up, okay, all done, okay, I'm chucking this back inside, guys. Okay, and here is what we got. So right now what I'm doing, I am opening my app and I'm pressing a document that I just made for you guys. It says Tech with Aisha. Don't forget to subscribe on that channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share those videos. I'm still starting on that channel, guys. I've got a few videos in, okay, so if you go to my channel section, you can view my other sibling channels as well, and then it says Secret Vlogging Star, fresh printout, like, subscribe, and share. Okay, so this is a bit of what I'm actually going to do. So after that, I'm just going to press open, like, next, okay, and print. I'm going to press print, and then it's going to ask me a few things if you want to, depends on you, and from there I'll continue. Okay, so I do have lots of channels, guys. So we have like a whole family channels as well. Home Ted, Isa channel, my sisters, and we got a few other channel, my brother's channel. Okay, for like kids, you can get very nice sports videos from my brother's channel. So there's a lot of stuff that's going on around there. So you can, guys, float around and really watch the content from there. Also, so now let's print. So guys, I did film the printing how it came out, but when it was coming out, but I don't know why I lost the video. I think I accidentally deleted it, but anyways, this is how it came out, guys. It was so beautiful. It came out so pigmented, guys. It said Tech with Aisha, so Secret Vlogging Star, just as I said. Okay, like, subscribe, and share, just as a screen recorded. Okay, it was so beautiful. Most printouts come a bit more pixelated, like the lower quality printers, but this is an amazing quality. It came out amazing, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. I had so much fun making this video, informative video. Don't forget to subscribe, smash the subscribe button. See ya.